Some football now. Newly appointed Reggae Boyz Interim head coach Paul Hall has admitted that he has taken on a tough challenge with limited time at his disposal. Hall was speaking during his first official interface with members of the media in a JFF Zoom press conference on Monday. Spencer Darlington tells us more.
Paul Hall, who replaced Theodore Whitmore as Reggae Boyz head coach last Thursday, says a rotation in the formations of the team will be a key element in his strategy for the remainder of the CONCACAF World Cup qualifying series. He was responding to a question on how different his tactical approach will be compared to that of his predecessor.
We all have a different approach. No matter how we are, we could play 3-5-2, 4-3-3, and we could all play it very differently. We could get our wingers to come inside, we could get our fullbacks attacking, or we could do it the opposite way around, and we could look to have rotations. I'm very much about rotations. It's very, very difficult to change the personality of a team in the short term because we are looking for results.
The 49-year-old Hall also expressed confidence in his ability to get the best out of the Reggae Boyz, despite his limited managerial experience at the senior international level.
For me to be here, it's a big undertaking. I think anybody taking any team for the first time is going to have limited experience. So it's about utilizing the people around me, making sure that they, if I've got any gaps, they can help fill those gaps, and making sure that we focus on getting 3 points. I'm not limited in my experience of getting 3 points.
Hall also confirmed that he will be working with the same backroom staff which is currently in place for the Reggae Boyz. Regarding his long-term ambitions, the former Reggae Boy said he would find the full-time national coaching job quite appealing.
This is a results-based industry that we're in, and the sheer nature of the beast that we're in is that you have to do well. Of course, if I'm offered the opportunity to lead Jamaica, it's been a dream of mine for as long as I've been involved with Jamaica. So yes, of course, that would be something that I would seriously consider, because there are a lot of, opportunities around the world, but this one speaks the loudest.
The Reggae Boyz are currently lying 6th on 7 points in the 8-team CONCACAF Final Round World Cup qualifying with 6 games remaining. Hall will take charge of his first game when the Reggae Boyz meet South American outfit Peru in a friendly international in Lima on Thursday, January 20, a week before their next World Cup qualifier against Mexico at the National Stadium. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.